Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshuri Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Today, on behalf of Srila Prabhupada and the Guru Parampara, I'm going to award the Gayatri Mantras and Brahminical initiation to Gadadhara, Dasa and Sankirtana Das Prabhus. Srila Prabhupada wanted to create a spiritual revolution by the peaceful method of creating peaceful, self-controlled brahmanas. Usually when we think of revolution, we think of some rabble-rousing people running in the streets and breaking things. Srila Prabhupada wanted to bring a revolution of consciousness from the top of society. The top means top in character. So Brahmana means a perfectly self-controlled person who's in knowledge of the goal of life, and in this way is the natural spiritual leader of society. So I'm very happy to today have the opportunity to award this opportunity to these two devotees. I have great hope that they can go on to become further qualified as genuine spiritual leaders. Srila Prabhupada said that leader means leader by hearing and chanting. Leader in hearing and chanting. And the result of hearing and chanting must be purification of heart, which is manifested in purified activities. So these two devotees are leading their lives in an exemplary Krishna conscious manner, and I request them to go on doing so throughout life. Awarding of Brahminical initiation is a certificate of trust that you have taken your vows and you are adhering to them very seriously. Brahmana means they should have all the qualities which are mentioned by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Shamo dhamma tapashocham kshanti arjavam evacha jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma svabhavacham. Brahmana should be self-controlled, peaceful in mind, peaceful because Krishna Bhakta Nishkama Dev Shanta, because he has no desire other than to serve Krishna, therefore the mind is not agitated. It should be inclined towards austerity, not towards sense enjoyment. It should follow the principles of cleanliness. It should be tolerant of material difficulties, tolerant in all respects. Arjavam should be very straightforward in behavior, not as Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur described. Vaishnav means the same outside and inside. Should be learned in the Vedic literature and expert in guiding others practically according to those teachings, and should have firm faith in the Shastra, in the Supreme Lord, and practically demonstrate these qualities in their activities. So you're practically doing this. Please continue to do this. And Brahmana means he has to make others Brahmanas also. So please help others to become situated in Krishna consciousness. And be happy always in Krishna service. Brahmana doesn't necessarily mean that he's always very grave. Grave, yes, but not happy. Not simply a dry scholar, but a jolly devotee. Prabhupada often use this word jolly. I don't know if there's any translation in Czech. He's naturally happy. Brahma bhuta prasanatma na shojati na kankshati. You can translate that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.